Michael Kelly, Investment Science, Unlocking the Secrets to Power and Wealth. And essentially, we're talking about some predictions we made in let me see here, 2020. So we were talking about ChatGPT, OpenAI, even back in 2020. This post was more concerning what will the future be for programmers, right? Because there is ChatGPT or OpenAI for Figma to create videos, and we wanted to show you that real quick. Right. So again, it's 3 years ahead of its time. And what's interesting is just how schools will combat ChatGPT, OpenAI. Sage Fusion doesn't use OpenAI. We built our own models in the house. And what's interesting about artificial intelligence, it's been out, some of the mathematics have been out since the 70s. So people are just starting to implement preliminary, and we're just hoping this series of videos get you interested in our book, as well as our consulting practice and Sage Fusion, and for people to really understand that we make predictions often a couple of years beforehand. We're not always right, but you know, more often than not, we are. And when we're wrong, we own up to it. And that's part of the reason why we are considered on Wall Street to have some of the most up-to-date trends on banking and technology. And that book that we're publishing should at least give people an understanding on financial concepts. And our second book will actually teach you how to code some of these concepts we spoke, but you need to know business before you know technology, because you need to know what you're talking about and have soft skills to be able to sell it to people. So as always, 917-512-9523, www.investmentsty.com, or go to www.sagefusion.co for investments. Thank you so much for your time.